In the advertising sign industry, the most common way to make illuminated channel letters is using a channel bender to slot and bend side strips, then welding, grinding, and polishing. That's at least 4 or 5 steps. We've used this method for years, but it has 2 big problems. First, precision depends on equipment and manual work. Second, more steps mean higher costs. First, let's take a look at precision. With traditional channel benders, it's hard to get the side strips and acrylic panel to fit perfectly. Especially for small letters, sharp corners, or complex fonts, edges are rough and side strips don't align well. And you have to fix them manually. It's nearly impossible to make every letter the same. 3D printing is totally different. It's one-piece molding, with the base and shell printed directly. No joints, no bending, no welding. Its precision is about 0.1 mm, much higher than a channel bender. When making letters, small letters, sharp corners, complex strokes, where traditional methods often fail, 3D printing makes them all in one go. No manual touch-ups needed. Next is structural design. For front-lit process, you have to add slots or mounting steps on the side strips to hold the acrylic panel. That's extra work, extra labor, even extra equipment. With 3D printing, we can directly design the steps inside the letter shell. Just put the panel in. No screws, no extra processing. Backlit and sidelit letters are even easier. 3D printing uses diffused materials to make the light parts directly, replacing acrylic. It saves both material costs and assembly processes, and the light surface is formed in one piece after printing. Finally, let's look at the cost. First, the price of one roll of our printing filament is $15 US. Model 1, 5, 91 high, 1.18 thick, shell and base both 0.08. Using just 73 grams of filament, the cost is only $1.09. Model 2, 19.69 high, 1.97 thick, shell 009, base 0.12. Using just 675 grams of filament, the cost is only $10.12. This cost is much lower than traditional bending, welding, grinding, and labor. Besides, 3D printing produces no waste. You use exactly what you need, with almost no material waste. Our 3D sign printers are designed specifically for the advertising sign industry. Their core advantages are simple, higher precision, capable of making small characters and sharp corners perfectly, simpler structure, with steps and light-emitting positions formed in one piece, more controllable costs, with precise material usage and no waste. If you are making illuminated channel letters and looking for a more straightforward production method, welcome to contact us for more detailed information.